Sound and the Fury. William Faulkner. William Faulkner. William Faulkner, 1897 to 1962, was a leading American modernist writer best known for his novels set in the American South, especially in the fictional Yoknapatawpha County, which reflects Mississippi society. His works explore major themes such as the decay of Southern aristocracy, the burden of history, racial injustice, guilt, memory, and the complexity of human psychology. Faulkner received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1949 for his powerful and artistically unique contribution to the modern novel. Faulkner's importance lies in his innovative narrative techniques, including stream of consciousness, nonlinear structure, multiple narrators, and deep psychological insight. Through novels like The Sound and the Fury, As I Lay Dying, and Absalom, he showed that truth is fragmented and that the past continuously shapes the present. His experimental style transformed modern fiction and established him as one of the greatest novelists in world literature. The Sound and the Fury. The Sound and the Fury, 1929, is one of William Faulkner's most important modernist novels and a landmark in American literature. The novel portrays the decline of the Compson family, a once aristocratic Southern household, and reflects the moral, emotional, and social breakdown of the American South after the Civil War. The title is taken from Shakespeare's Macbeth and suggests the meaninglessness and chaos of human life. The novel is divided into 4 sections, each narrated from a different perspective, revealing the gradual disintegration of the Compson family. The first section is narrated by Benjy Compson, a mentally disabled man whose fragmented, nonlinear memories reflect emotional truth rather than logical order. The second section follows Quentin Compson, whose obsessive concern with time, honor, and his sister Caddy leads to psychological collapse and suicide. The third section is told by Jason Compson, whose bitter, selfish narration exposes the moral corruption and cruelty within the family. 1. Benjy Compson. Benjy Compson, the youngest son of the Compson family in The Sound and the Fury, is mentally disabled, and his perception of the world is shaped entirely by emotions and sensory experiences rather than logic. His fragmented, nonlinear narration reflects his inability to understand time or reason, moving freely between past and present. Deeply attached to his sister Caddy, Benjy responds instinctively to her presence or absence, and his frequent cries and emotional reactions reveal the family's moral and emotional decline. Despite his disability, Benjy embodies innocence and purity, serving as a powerful symbol of lost childhood and the destructive impact of change and decay on the Compson family.